Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix we cannot send a text message to this phone number on the Twitter, right? So how you can fix it. So basically, the first thing we have to do, we have to just go to the Play Store here, and after that on the search bar, you have to type Twitter, okay? And just search the Twitter and just hit the enter. And here you can see that I'm getting the option of update here, right? So we have to just update the app as soon as possible, and after that it will fix our problem. The next thing we have to do, we have to just go to the setting of our phone, okay? And after that on the here, just you have to scroll a little bit down, then you will find the app management. Just click on here, then just click on the app list, guys. And here it will take a very few seconds just load depending upon the apps that is present in your smartphone. And here we have to search Twitter, so you have to scroll a little bit down. I'm not going to do it, right? So I will search here Twitter and just hit the enter, and here you will find it. And basically you have to go to the first option, storage usage. In your phone it can be somewhere the second or third option, right? And here you have to just clear the cache, and after clear the cache you have to reopen the app. And if this fixes your problem, then it's great, but if it doesn't, then you have to just clear the data. And after clearing the data, it will definitely fix your problem, and basically it will unload all the unnecessary files that is present over Twitter, and you have to re-log in into the Twitter just to use it. So this is it, guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.